In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to a logarithmic scale in TradingView, a powerful tool for analyzing charts precisely. If you're looking to understand long-term trends or study assets with considerable price shifts, changing to a logarithmic scale could be a game changer for your analysis. Let's get started. First thing, open your chart in TradingView. You might already have a specific chart in mind, or you could just want to explore different market trends today. Either way, bring up the chart you plan to work with. You'll notice a variety of tools and options, but for now, let's focus on the price scale. Looking over to the right-hand side of your chart, you'll find the price scale. It's the vertical bar that numerically represents asset prices, helping you gauge where the market's at in visual form. Now here's where the actual switch to the logarithmic scale happens. Directly on this price scale, you're going to right-click. This action is your gateway to a context menu customized for your chart settings. In this menu, you're going to look for the option labeled Logarithmic and click on it. This simple selection shifts your price axis from showing absolute price numbers to displaying percentage changes. The magic of the logarithmic scale is how it references each financial change in percentage terms, offering you an unclouded view of long-term market shifts. However, let's talk about an alternate method in case menus aren't your preferred tool. There's another easily accessible shortcut. Looking towards the bottom right corner of your TradingView interface near the scale settings, you'll see an L button. Clicking this button instantly toggles your chart between linear and logarithmic scales. A small tip here is that the L button relates to logarithmic, while you'll notice that it also shifts to A, representing a linear scale, specifically an arithmetic scale. This quick toggle can be handy when you're repeatedly switching back and forth between different scaling methods to compare analyses. Switching to a logarithmic scale is a powerful feature, especially if you're dealing with charts that span several years or evaluating investments in high volatility markets like cryptocurrencies or tech stocks. By focusing on the percentage changes rather than absolute values, you can better grasp the real impact of price movements. This understanding is crucial for making informed decisions, whether you're day trading or investing for the long haul. And that wraps up our TradingView tutorial today. By now, you should feel confident navigating between linear and logarithmic scales on your charts, providing you with the nuanced insight needed for advanced chart analysis. Thank you for watching and happy charting.